Well, here's a great kit. This is by Jerkle, and it's a half-a-gallon resin kit. Woo! So many neat things are included with this kit. And what you got, we got a half a gallon of resin, a half a gallon of hardener. What I like about this kit is the simplicity of it. It's just a 1-to-1 ratio. So if I use an ounce of resin, I use an ounce of hardener. Very, very simple. Now, this, as you can see, like I said, we got the hardener and the resin. I love that it has the pumpers for easy distribution because they're kind of heavy, and with these, you can really pour out the perfect amount. So really a bonus there. Also includes, we got 4 aprons, disposable aprons that you can wear, so keep your clothes all clean. Also, 4 pairs of rubber gloves, and important to wear those. Also has a plastic sheet to lay on your table, just to protect your work surface area. Comes with a bunch of plastic stirrers. This is what we'll use to stir the actual resin and hardener. Has lots of little measuring or mixing cups here. These would be mixing cups, and they're stacked real nice, but real nice. And once you use them, you can just dispose of those like that. And then we have 4 rubber 100. I think it's 100 milliliter. Yeah, 100 milliliter measuring cups. So really got everything needed. Oh, a couple other things. This is your plastic. You're doing large amounts, or as an example, if you're putting resin on a table, this is a plastic scraper, which you'll use to just scrape it on and make sure it's even. Another thing, this is neat. Several different colors. And what this is, the resin is clear, but you could add green or purple or that gold or red. This is like mica powder. So you just add a little bit, and then you'll get like little flecks of whatever color you add in the resin. So, and then it also has good directions that goes over how to do it. It takes about 24 hours for the resin to completely harden. So that's the kit. And then what we'll do is I'll do a little demonstration. Well, I'm going to do a little mold here for you. So again, with the resin and hardener, it's just a 1-to-1. So it is recommended that the hardener goes in first, followed by the resin. So I'm just going to add, some of each. I just put this on so let's see. 1, 2, do 3 pumps of that. Gotta get it flowing first here. I really love these pumps here. Like I mentioned earlier, this is the first time I've it just needs to build up some pressure. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm just gonna mix this up real well. And just for demonstration's sakes, I will add just a little bit. I think I'm going to add a little bit of this gold dust. Just a little flake to that. And then we'll stir stir it in real good. Oh, I like that. By adding that flake, just kind of gives a little gold tint to it. So now I am just going to pour this into my mold here. And then, I will need to just allow this to fully dry for 24 hours. You know what? I'm going to add just a little bit more, like a little, just to cover this up. Again, we'll just mix real well. And then once it's mixed, it really pours on nice. I like that. And good to, room temperature really works great for this. If it's, 50 degrees, it not quite as pliable. But that's it, folks. Woo! Just gonna let this, and there won't be any bubbles. Just let it sit 24 hours and we'll have a great mold. I love this product, again, for just that simplicity of it.